Greetings my fellow artists. In this video I will show you couple methods of color blending that I'm using. So it's basically the stuff when you mix different colors together. This can be highlights, shadows, different texture details, and whatever you're painting. Let's go and paint some of them from scratch. The first one we will be painting with hard brush on 100 opacity. So what you are doing basically, you're just pressing pick color and mixing those colors together. Yeah, that's easy. From lighter to darker, but you can also try different ways. It's depends on your preference how you want to paint. Yeah, it's like not super raw, just feel comfortable and paint how you like. So yeah, just picking color and mixing it from lighter to darker, trying like to make some kind golden material. And you also take this darker color, paint some shadows. So yeah, just blending it with pure color picking, and blending. And this is all the hard brush one. And then we can take the lighter color and get like more highlights, blending into this one. So yeah, basically this is how we are doing this. And for the next one we'll be using a little bit softer brush, as you can see here, and we will go with 50 opacity. Okay? Let's go and start with some brighter colors. Already you can see how it's like more softer and it's easier to paint. Now we'll go for more lighter colors. Yeah. Also using your pen pressure and blending them together. I will like pick hair color and pick and go, pick and go. And that's how we are blending them. Just picking color and mixing them together. Let's pick some darker color also, get some shadows here and mix them with our other colors. Yeah. And there we go, we have some nice soft blending material here. And for this one we'll be using super soft brush, as you see here. Yeah. So and we can adjust it with our eraser tool for also with soft brush. And we can add more highlights here, but using a little bit smaller brush, yeah, like this one. Let's see. Yep, something like this. And then we can go for a little bit darker colors for our shadow and paint them with our soft brush. A little bit of blending, and there you go. You have your another one method to color blending, the softer one, super softer. So yeah, that's basically how you're doing the color blending. You're just picking colors, mixing them together. You can mix different colors, lighter, darker, whatever you want to get different materials, different details. Yeah. You can choose softer brushes, you can try to mix them together, try different opacity, use your pen pressure, and yeah. And here's our results with different brushes. That's easy. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in our next videos.